Model, 1997 Fiat Ducato Ducato 10TD short wheelbase, motorhome spares OR repairs very low miles for the age. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 99,381. Engine, 1929 ccN1 VMC-TGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, reversing camera. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.